Today we're making chicken Parmesan meatballs with a homemade marinara sauce that tastes like it's been simmering all day, but comes together in under 30 minutes. The recipe is in the description box, so let's get started. In a large bowl, add 1 pound of ground chicken, a half a cup of breadcrumbs, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan, 1 egg, 2 cloves of garlic, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and salt and pepper. Mix it all together just until combined. Don't overwork it or they'll get tough. Roll the meat into small meatballs about 1.5 inches each. Heat a little olive oil in an oven-safe skillet and sear the meatballs for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. They don't have to be fully cooked yet. We're going to finish them in the oven. In the same skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil if needed and cook the chopped onion until it is softened. Add the garlic and cook until it's fragrant, about 30 seconds. Pour in the crushed tomatoes, the dried oregano and basil, and salt and pepper to taste. Simmer for about 10 minutes until the sauce has thickened. Nestle the meatballs back into the sauce and top with mozzarella cheese. Bake at 400 for 10 to 15 minutes or until the meatballs are cooked through. Finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley. You can serve over pasta, zoodles, or tucked into a toasted roll for a sandwich. These chicken Parmesan meatballs are saucy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious. If you decide to make them, be sure to let me know how they turn out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.